Good morning. Here we are again. Today, our recipe is called American Palabok. It's a modified and substitute of the ingredients that we got here. We have oil, half a cup, and garlic. We have one medium size of onions chopped, and we have this smoked oysters, just like this, and shrimp, and most of all, we have this cream of mushroom soup, and we could drop some food coloring, and also we have this fish sauce. It's a modified version of palabok, and then we are using boiled spaghetti or spaghetti noodles or linguine noodles. And we have this pork skin, and finally we have hard-boiled egg. Now we could move for our cooking. We are going to this is cooking oil. We drop the onions. We wait until the onion is crystalline. We have the garlic. We have the shrimp. We have the smoked oyster. It has to be smoked oyster. We have to cook this at least 30 minutes. We have time. And finally, for the sauce, we have the cream of mushroom soup. This is cream of mushroom soup. And then, finally, we have the fish sauce. Around 4 or 5 teaspoons of fish sauce. So we let it cook for at least 30 minutes. We could cover it. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the outcome of it for the sauce. We have this linguine noodles. Just drop the palabok sauce. just for serving, we put some pig skin or pork skin, and we drop some hard-boiled egg. So this is it. This is the final version of American Palabok. It's tasted with the combination of the pork skin, which is so crunchy, and some hard-boiled eggs. This is so delicious. You could taste the cream of mushrooms soup and the noodles, lasagna. I mean like linguine or spaghetti noodles. So thank you so much for joining us this lovely, delicious American Palabok. Thank you, thank you, thank you.